Hello, my name is Veronica Napper. I'm from Columbus, Ohio, and I came to M.E.E.T Ministry because of a diagnosis I received in on June 26, 2021, of cancer, multiple myeloma. I didn't know about M.E.E.T Ministry until a friend of a friend said that maybe she needs to check into M.E.E.T Ministry, because prior to that, I was doing traditional medicine. So I was going through chemotherapy and was on a lot of different meds. So God opened the door and has allowed me to come to M.E.E.T Ministry. And as a result, not only has it been a physical blessing, meaning some of the issues that I was facing have disappeared. I took a leap of faith and did not take any of my medications while here. And one of the side effects that I had was really bad edema. And being here, I didn't have any issues with edema whatsoever. So I've also lost 20 pounds. But I think the biggest blessing for me was the spiritual therapy. The physical therapy was great. All of the treatments, all of the juices, all of the teas and the supplements have played a huge part, but the most important was the daily worship and the spiritual therapy that got me reconnected with God. And I've recognized that much of why I ended up here was because I was living my life in a very disconnected way to God. Although I thought I was very connected, God has revealed to me that much of what I was doing was still my own ways or the world's ways. And so he called me back to him in a much deeper manner. And so I'm going back home really encouraged. I have a plan to move forward, not only a health plan, which is God's plan, but also a spiritual plan that is going to be my foundation to getting healthy and whole. So I would encourage anybody, if you have any type of health issue, whether it's a recent diagnosis or something you've been dealing with for a long time, that you come and ask God to open up a way for you to come to M.E.E.T Ministry. The staff has a real heart to serve. Their compassion, their attention, their intentionality to you is above anything I've ever witnessed. And so if you're looking for wholeness, if you're looking for healing, if you're looking for restoration, M.E.E.T Ministry, as far as I'm concerned, is the place you need to be. And let God do the work in you that no one else can do. God bless you.